Rayan called me at 6 a.m., said he found something impossible. I still don't believe him. What is that?
Someone built this by hand. Every panel, by hand. $8 months minimum. Every part has to be fabricated from scratch. Nothing for this
We start to pay. Hand formed. You can see the forming marks in the metal. Every time, like ink and water. Can that be saved?
Everything here can be saved.
How long will that take?
As long as it takes. Someone designed this. Someone spent years on this.
Did you get that? This is what is left. And it is still beautiful. The frame actually in the crash, you would find something else.
Are you going to help or just film?
Both. You're doing exactly what the original builder did, in exactly the same way.
Yes.
Day 31. The engine goes back together today. Every single component cleaned, measured, within tolerance. 5 weeks watching him work. He never rushes, not once.
I can hear you.
I know. It looks like it was never abandoned.
That's the point. Straight.
It's gone. You actually cannot see it.
It was never really there.
Oh.
Slower. Again. One more pass. Done.
Someone dreamed this, and here it is.